Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over user permission settings. So first thing you're going to want to do is go to the admin portal, which is hrpos.heartland.us. Once you sign in, you're going to go to your menu button here at the top left, and you're going to go down to users. In users, you should see your user settings and permission settings. Now these permission settings are only for the users. This has nothing to do with the iPad. This is all permissions for the admin portal only. So we're going to select permissions. Now I've already added a few, which I'll show you. Manager, for example. Let's say I have a manager. I just called it manager for staff edits and reports. So let's say I have a manager that I want to be able to edit staffs and read reports so they can, close at the end of the day or open. But I don't want them to do anything else. I don't want them to see audit trails. I don't want them to be able to publish changes. I don't want them to get access to location setup or the menu or edit any loyalty settings. So I basically just selected staff members. They can edit staff members and they can view all reports. And then I'll go in, if you want to add a new one, you go up here to add new. Let's say we're going to do one for CPA. And we just want our CPA to be able to come in and see sales reports. And then you notice here, the last one, the managers, I had viewing all reports. Obviously, if you have that checked, it's gonna collapse everything below it. But those are the options for the reports. Okay, and then I'm gonna hit save. Save successful. So now if we go back to users and we were to create a new user, and we'll just, I'm not going to save this, but I'm just going to do CPA, CPA at Gmail. And then instead of doing admin, there's an option for permissions, because when you select admin, it gets rid of that permission spot. So now if I select in the permissions box here, it shows your store location, which you have to select. This is for the purposes if you have multiple stores and it's all under the same Heartland account. That's why it's asking you for the store. If you got one store, I know it's a little redundant, but. And then when you select in this field, select or create permissions, you can see that we have all three of the permissions that I've created. So I can select the CPA one there. And you can do this for multiple locations if you do have multiple locations under your account. And then you proceed with the rest of the changes and hit save. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.